inbound marketing is a methodology that centers on creating value for your audience that keeps them coming back to you for more information. Typically, this means high quality, valuable content such as how-to blog posts, video tutorials and webinars, ebooks, and even social media graphics. Inbound marketing, it's a marketing methodology, but it's also a way of doing business. The idea is actually old-fashioned in notion. It's about putting the customer first and creating value with quality content, providing information when and where your audience needs it, attracting, engaging, and delighting your audience throughout your sales, your marketing, and your customer service. And the idea is to turn those followers into leads, into customers, and into promoters or brand ambassadors. There's no better marketing than word of mouth marketing. Another component of inbound marketing that isn't often talked about is educating your audience on who you are, why you do what you do, and how to use your service, and how your service or your product can solve your audience's problems. By doing that, you accomplish a couple different things. One, you're pre-qualifying leads. So you're not answering the phone calls and going through the conversation of explaining things over and over again. By the time someone picks up the phone to call you or fills out a form, they're ready to make a buying decision. Builds trust with your audience. That's really important today because we live in an age when people don't trust marketing. A really good way to understand inbound marketing is to understand what it is not. So the difference between inbound and outbound marketing is pretty simple. With outbound marketing, it's usually like a paid advertisement, pay-per-click ad campaign, social media ad, anything that you really have to pay for. Inbound marketing is more about blogging, search engine optimization, social media, email. Inbound marketing is usually about the long-term aspects of your marketing. So who initiates first contact? With inbound marketing, it's the potential customer. They find you and they seek you out. They're looking for answers to their problems. So they found your content. With outbound marketing, it's the business. It's an ad that you push out. So who chooses the medium? Well, with inbound marketing, the potential customer chooses the marketing medium. With outbound, it's the business. How long does marketing effort last? With inbound, it's indefinitely. Blogs have a compounding effect with your website search engine optimization. So one blog can actually bring traffic for years to your website. But with outbound marketing, it's as long as your ad runs. So what is the cost profile? Well, with inbound marketing, it's low cost and long term, and with outbound, it's generally high cost and short term. But to put it into perspective for you, when it comes to cost, content marketing, which is part of inbound marketing, achieves 3 times more leads than paid search advertising. The average cost per lead for outbound marketing is around $346. The average cost per lead for inbound marketing, $135. Keep checking back to Bragg Media social media. Check out braggmedia.com.